I am going to do now carrot and tomato soup. Carrot and tomatoes together. So, we will see how it is going to be, and we are ready to make the soup now. Now, I am going to do the soup, that is carrot and tomato soup. First thing, I will add the water into the pan. So, we will see how it looks. Then I am going to add the potatoes. First the potatoes, then the carrot. I am going to add it into this. It's all chopped. So, we can see here. And the onions. Now, I need celery. Celery, of course, it is very important to have celery in this soup. And a few bay leaves too we will add. With all that, I can add a little prawns to give a little bit of flavor and the taste also. While I am boiling this, what I am going to do is I will add a little salt, a little pepper which I am adding, and a little bit of turmeric also I will add. Now with all this we will boil first. That means the vegetables we are boiling, and I have put prawns into it, about 4 or 5 prawns chopped and added. If you like, you can add prawns, otherwise we can even use chicken, whatever meat you like you can use, but prawns or chicken is the best to use. If not, make only with this vegetables. Now we will off this because it's almost boiled. Right now I have to cool a little. We will see how we are going to do the balance work. I will keep this in the cold water now. I am going to blend it. Since I am going to blend it, I have to cool this a little, otherwise not good for the blend also. So, we will see how we can do. I have to take the bay leaves. Bay leaves, we should not have it after it's boiled. So, now we will put it into the blender and blend it. I am not going to add all the water. Water can be left. One more thing I have to use here, that is tomatoes I didn't add into the boiling ingredients. Now I am adding this, the tomatoes. Right, now that is enough. I kept in warm water, I hope you can remember, so that it's going to be. Now we will see how we are going to cook. I have a little bit of other into the same thing that I am going to put now. So we will see. Right. Now we will take this nicely blended, and I am going to put it into this saucepan again. Into the pan I am going to put, because it's already, we have done it. So we will see how we are going to do it now. Now I feel, now itself it looks so nice. I am going to add 1 cup coconut milk. I will add it. Stir it. I need a vegetable cube or a chicken cube, no problem. Vegetable or a chicken cube I need into this. I would rather prefer a bit of corn flour, just a little, not even a teaspoon, about half a teaspoon. And I'll put the milk a little, mix it. The tomatoes we have not boiled yet, so you can remember Tomatoes are not boiled, so we have to boil now. The whole ingredients we have to boil. Now we'll add a little butter. It's nice to add roughly a teaspoon of butter. This type of soup I hope you will enjoy because all the vegetables have become nice and creamy, and of course it's going to be really tasty. Now I will add a little bit of sugar, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Allow to boil. Now the soup is getting boiled. One boil is enough, and within that we first put a little salt and pepper. So now we will add a little more salt and pepper and a little turmeric. One boil is enough, I said. For me to drink, so the soup is ready for us. Now we will have the yogurt. Yogurt is going to be put into this. This is ready. Now what I am going to do is, the soup is ready and we are going to have it with the bun. We have to have it with the toast bun. So what we will do is, we will have the bun ready. And a little mustard cream. Oh, it will be nice to have with a little bit of mustard cream also. We can have it with mustard cream, or you can have it with garlic, crushed garlic. We can have it so that it will be tasty. That's the way we want it. I am ready to have my soup. So, to have the soup, what will I do? Soup is ready. It's nice and warm. And I have my bun here. I will take this bun. What I will do it now here. Take this bun and dip it. So nice. This itself is very tasty. I'll take the soup. So nice, and of course something different to the normal preparation. So take it this way. You too can try it this way. And I want all of you to sit together. The whole family should sit together and have a meal and enjoy. So this type of preparation, I hope you will try it out and see before I come next week. You have to tell me whether you like it. And the other preparation that we have done here is the coconut milk that we have put into the soup. Why did I use the coconut milk is tomatoes we use. When we use the tomatoes, we can't use fresh milk because it will curdle. That's the reason I have used the coconut milk. So you can try it out and see. It has a very nice taste and you will also enjoy.